How to use TEMU coupon bundle. Hello everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to use the TEMU coupon bundle. But before we get started, make sure to head down below to give this video a like and subscribe to the channel. Alright, let's begin. So the first thing that you need to do in order to apply the coupon bundle is to first open up your app and make sure that you are logged in. Then you want to head over to your cart and make sure there are certain items that you can check out. So once you get to your cart, as you can see, the minimum amount to check out is £10. So I'm just going to add a few more items like this on my checkout list. So I'm just going to add this to cart and this should be enough. So once you do that, you will have an option to check out. So I'm just going to tap on checkout right here. So you'll have to fill out all of these details. Once you get to your checkout page after entering all of your details, what you need to do is go ahead and scroll down a bit. And here you will have an option to apply coupon code. Tap on it. And once you do that, it will take you to a page where you will have to enter your coupon code. So if you have any valid coupon codes, you can just enter it right here and tap on apply. If the code is valid, then the corresponding value will be applied to your checkout and then you will get the discount. If you have any bundle, you are going to do the same. Just enter the code here and tap on submit order and it will be applied. That's it for this video. If you found this video helpful, hit like, share, and subscribe. I will see you on the next one.